Anika, you made it! No My Kia Toy Time! Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to dance? Kite kani kani? It's party time! Let's go!
Welcome to the Olympic Games, a sports competition between some of the best athletes in the world. The Toy Time team has 3 amazing competitors this year. We have Jojo, we have Tama, and Maya. Let the games begin. Oh, kitty.
More than 200 different countries compete to be the strongest in the world. All want to win the silver, bronze or gold. Every man and woman, boy and girl. The Olympics, 5 colored rings are signaling our worldwide gathering. The Olympics, for 2 whole weeks, each country's teams follow their sporting dreams. The Olympics, swimming, biking, running, discus, shot put, long jump, high jump, javelin and more. BMX and skateboarding and volleyball, just some of the more than 30 sports. The Olympics, 5 colored rings are signaling our worldwide gathering. The Olympics, for 2 whole weeks, each country's teams follow their sporting dreams. The Olympics, everybody wants to win a medal, but what matters most is that you try. Practice hard, do your best and have some fun. Kya kaha, kya maya, kya manawa nui. The Olympics, 5 colored rings are signaling our worldwide gathering. The Olympics, for 2 whole weeks, each country's teams follow their sporting dreams. The Olympics.
Kia ora, everyone. I've got a special manuhiri with us today. This is Tupo Nofi. Hi, Tupo.
Hi, Jojo.
Hey, could you tell us about your sport?
I'm a New Zealand Paralympic swimmer, which is basically swimming but for people with a disability.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I heard that you went to the Olympic Games. What was that like?
Yeah, so I went to the 2016 Rio Paralympic Games and the 2020 Tokyo Paralympic Games, where I did the S900 meters backstroke.
Wow. And did you win that medal when you were there?
Yep, so I won this medal and the 100 meters backstroke. It's pretty cool.
Ka rawe. Hey, do you have any advice, he kupu ake pea, for a tamariki who loves sport just like you and want to go to the Olympics one day?
Yeah, for sure. One thing I'd say is to believe in yourself, but most importantly, just be you.
Oh, hey. Cheer my cuzzies, it's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm doing one of my most favouriteest things in the world, jumping. I might not need my hat today. Come on. Oh, wah, wah, ha, wah, ha. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna see how many flips I can do in a row. Watch this, Whānau. I did 10. I'm gonna see how fast I can jump on all the tramps here. Come on. Oh, I made it. How fast do you think I was? 36. Okay, let's go and try something else. These are special tramps. They're the ones that they use in the Olympics. They let you jump really, 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 really high. I'm gonna see how high I can jump. Watch this, e te whānau. I can jump so high. Maybe I can jump up onto that wall. Yeah. I made it. I can do all sorts of tricks. Watch this one. Want to see it again? Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Come on. What an awesome day it's been today, cuzzies. I reckon if I keep practicing, I might make it to the Olympics for my jumping one day. That's the buzz, my cuz. Ka kite anō.
I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed. But I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. Can you jump really high? Can you jump really high? Can you jump really high? What makes you a hero? Can you run really fast? Can you run really fast? Can you run really fast? What makes you a hero? I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed. But I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. Can you tidy up your room? Can you tidy up your room? Can you tidy up your room? What makes you a hero? Can you make people laugh? Can you make people laugh? Can you make people laugh? What makes you a hero? I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed. But I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way.
Training for the long jump makes me thirsty. My tinana needs lots of water to help keep me fit and healthy.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I am.
I am who?
You are Jojo.
And you're Buzz. Yoda. Are we going bungee jumping for Takuro time today, Buzz?
I wish bungee jumping would be mean, but I don't think my elastics are strong enough for bungee jump.
Elastics?
Elastics. We do need one more person, though.
Tama's out in the garden. I know he'll want to play.
Me, Haroa. Let's go.
Woohoo!
Now.
Ha! 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 Oh, that was so good.
O ka hoki, Tama.
Thanks, Jojo. I'm working out so I can throw my shot put a long way at the Olympics. Oh, kia ora, Buzz. You here for Takuro time?
Sure am, my cuz.
Ka Takuro Hokio. Can I play too?
Of course you can, my cuz.
All right.
Today we're going to play elastics. Today, I think we use the red one.
Oh, okay.
So, what I need you both to do, once I've untangled it, is put this around your ankles and I'm going to teach you both the rhythm, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Righty. And this way. Cool. All right, sweet. So there's a little rhythm to it. I'll go first, all right?
Okay.
Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. In the middle, out the gate, twist and out.
Ah, come by, Buzz.
Let's go next. You want to go, Tama?
Go on.
All right.
2, 4, 6, 8. In the middle, out the gate, twist and out.
Ah,
Tama.
Okay.
You'll do, Jojo.
Here I go.
2, 4, 6,
8.
in the middle,
out the gate, twist and out. Perfect. All right, now we're going to take it up to the master's level. Okay, jump back in here, Jojo. And I want you both to bring the elastic up to your hips.
Our hips.
Easy.
Put it up around your hips. Okay, I'm going to go first. That's the cuss.
2, 4, 6, 8.
In the middle, out the gate,
Twist and Well, I've actually got some really serious training I have to do for the Olympics.
Yeah, I gotta go see Maya.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I win.
Oh! Oh!
Kia ora. Kia ora. Ka wau te toa. Oh, kia ora. Ko Auntie Anika ahau, world famous on Toy Time, and these are just a few of my medals. I won this medal for being the best auntie, this one for being best insect rescue, this one for best Play-Doh recipe, and this one was for doing the fastest triple backward somersault in the world. Here, I'll show you. Ta-da! See? It's faster than the eye can see. Pretty impressive, I know. When you're really famous, like me, you sometimes get asked for your autograph by one of your fans. I said, you sometimes get asked for your autograph.
Excuse me, Auntie Anika, kia mōhio mai koe. I'm your biggest fan. Can I please have your autograph?
Of course you can. Who am I making it up to?
Oh, Tama, Jojo, and Maya.
Cool. Tama, Jojo, and Maya. Awesome. Signed by Nika Moore. There you go.
Thank you.
See, an autograph is when you sign your name on a piece of paper or a photo or something so that your fan has a souvenir from when they met you. See?
Thanks, Auntie Anika. Ka noho tēnei hei tino taonga mōku. I'll treasure it forever.
You are welcome. See? Start practicing your autograph today. You never know when you might need it. Ka kite!
Hi, welcome to the Star Jam Talent Show.
Austin, you're up first.
We love doing talent shows. I get clever with the mic. We all have a turn. Everyone shows off their favorite moves. We feel like pop stars. We're great at being judges too.
Good.
Oh, that was pretty awesome. That was really good.
That was amazing.
Love it.
It was amazing.
Love the energy.
We're all stars. Thanks for watching our show. Bye.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently on the lake. Merrily, 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 life is fun with mates. Row, 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 row your boat gently down the creek. Merrily, 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 let's play hide and seek. Row, row, row your boat gently in the pool. Merrily, 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 life is pretty cool. Row, 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 row. Turn. Ha! There we are, Aotearoa, New Zealand. We have so many amazing athletes training and getting ready to go to the Olympic Games. I can't see the Olympic Games anywhere. Excuse me, mōhio, tēnā āwhina mai ai.
Of course, Maya. How can I help?
Where will I find the Olympic Games?
Ngā taumai heke heke o te ao, or the Olympic Games, happen every 4 years. And they take place in a different city each time. The next Olympic Games are in Paris, France in 2024.
Thanks, mōhio. Okay. Aha! Wait, there's Paris, France. Paris, France. All the other way on the other side of the world from Aotearoa. Wow. I hope I get to go to the Olympic Games one day. Shot put. Running. Swimming. I think I might go as a supporter.
As far as you can.
Kia ora. We're on our way to the Toy Time Olympic Games. I'm competing in the long jump.
Ooh. I'm competing in gymnastics.
And I'm competing in the shot put. Huh.
Let's go.
Okay, you just go out there and you just throw it.
Ladies and gentlemen, wahine me ngā tāne, ngā tama me ngā kōpiro. Welcome to the Olympic Games. First up today is Tama, competing in the shot put.
Kia ora koutou! I'm Tama!
Kaya koe te wā, Tama.
Hup!
What a terrific throw!
Yes!
Now we head to the gymnastics arena. Next up at the Olympics today is Maya, representing Aotearoa with her gymnastics routine. And that's a perfect score for Maya's gymnastic routine. Go care, Maya. Now we head to the long jump. Finally today we have the long jump, Te Pekeroa. Competing for Aotearoa New Zealand is Jojo. And she's done it. That sure was a long jump. And now to the medal ceremony. Pututsuki, it's medals all round. Gold for Jojo in first place, silver for Maya in second place, and bronze for Tama in third place. Congratulations, everyone. What a terrific day at the Olympic Games. And the crowd goes wild.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Chee-hoo! When I used to go to school, I was quite popular, I was quite cool. Shucks. I had a knack, a specialty, everybody wanted to see. I was a goal booth thrower. Let me show you how to do it, eh? Here. You gotta warm up your body. Stretch your muscles tenderly. And hold your gumboot oh so tight, then throw it with all of your might. I was a gumboot thrower. I used to practice every day. You should go in the Olympics, it's what they'd say. Who, me? Shucks. Well, everybody wanted to know and to watch a true champion throw. I was a gumboot thrower. Let me show you how to do it, eh? You gotta warm up your body. Stretch your muscles tenderly. And hold your gumboot oh so tight, then throw it with all of your might. I was a gumboot thrower. Oh, it's 10, 11, 12 metres. Oh, Olympics 2026, here I come.
We're doing the long jump. It's for school athletics. I'm gonna jump as far as a car.
Yes, well done.
That was awesome! I can jump far as a bunny rabbit. I can jump as far as a crocodile.
Whoa, well done.
I can jump as far as a rocket ship. That was very fun. I can jump far like a cat. That was awesome! We jump on one foot.
Whoa!
But we land on 2 feet. We jump as far as we can. The flags tell us how far we jump.
Good job. Well done. That was awesome.
Long jump. jump is fun.
Titiro, Wolfie. It's a long jump. Oh, I love jumping. Oh, it's my favourite thing to do in the whole wide world. Ara, mātaki mai. Ooh, wah. Ha.
Oh,
Whoa.
well done, Oma.
Thanks, Wolfie. Rabbits like me are made for jumping. Are you going to have a turn?
Oh, I would like to have a go. But what if I'm not very good? He koretake noa.
Oh, well, you don't have to be good at everything, Wolfie. The most important thing is that you have a go and you have fun.
Oh, okay. I'll give it a try. Here goes. Oh. Oh. Well, it looks like you won, Oma.
Oh,
Well done.
thanks, Wolfie. Yeah. Oh, and the Olympic gold medal for the best hugs in the whole wide world goes to Wolfie.
Oh, yay!
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. This story is about Tavita's fishing trip with his dad and Uncle Siale. Tangaloa. It was very early when Dad woke Tavita. He rubbed the sleep from his eyes, excited about going fishing on their va'a. On the va'a, they put on their life jackets and gave thanks to Tangaloa, a Polynesian sea spirit. Tavita grinned happily as the boat whizzed across the moana. Finally, the boat stopped. Tavita, I'll show you why this is my favourite fishing spot, said Uncle Siale as he cast out his fishing line. Plonk. Everyone waited. Then whoosh, the line jigged and bobbed. Uncle Siale wound his fishing rod up and it started to bend. It's a big one. Get the net ready, Tavita. Splash! Out came a blob and into the net it went, covered in seaweed. Dad and Tavita let out a big laugh. Underneath all the seaweed was an old leather boot. Uncle Siale laughed too. Suddenly, a humpback whale came to the top of the water and let out spray from its blowhole. Now everyone was happy, even though they didn't catch any big fish. Pāsui foa. We'll see you again next time.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whāsoi whā.